readers, Glamour Twinkle speaking. This is going to be the only vlog post I'm ever going to do on cooking with Glamour Twinkles. We're going to make mince for spaghetti bolognese. You'd call it spaghetti bolognese. I'm calling it spaghetti bolognese. First of all, we need to brown our look away if you're a vegetarian. I do know how to brown mince because I read about it online somewhere. I used to work with a girl whose dad was a butcher. He was saying supermarkets, they package the meat after they've filled it with water, and when you are preparing meat, for example, this is all the water that they add to it. 500 grams of this, which is our basis. Chili sauce. I know it's a Thai. A splash of this as well. Here we go. Moroccan seasoning. There. Oh, so that's cayenne pepper. Again, what? It's really not an exact science when I cook. Toil and trouble. Okay, this one here is like, come on, eat me. Good. You know, I'm going to do the unveiling of my mince extravaganza. Usually the next day it tastes better later on. You will see how good this looks when it's spread on top of spaghetti and also has grated cheese on top of it. Apart from the fact I don't have a cheese grater, so it's going to be chopped up bits of Colby cheese on top of it. Spaghetti ensemble. Cheese, spaghetti, mince. Oh, so good.